Good morning, students. Myself Johnson George. Welcome back to Social Science class. Nowadays we are discussing the topic Indus Valley Civilization. We already learned the two important sites of the Indus Valley like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Where is Harappa? Harappa located here and Mohenjo-daro located here. Today's video, we are going to discuss another two cities. The cities located in our neighboring state called Gujarat. The Harappan sites from Gujarat, or Harappan cities in Gujarat. That is the topic we are going to discuss today. See here, we are going to see the two places or two cities from Gujarat. One is Dholavira, next one is Lothal. Okay, understood now? The two names. One is called Dholavira and next one is called Lothal. What are the main features of these cities? And what the archaeologists excavated from these sites, and what were their conclusions. That are the points we are going to discuss now. First we can see Dholavira. You know where is Dholavira located? Dholavira is located in the place we are called Kathir Bight region, or also called the Rann of Kutch region of Gujarat. The Rann of Kutch region of Gujarat. There we excavated the Dholavira site. And this region at present, or early also, it was rich of the fresh water and fertile soil. This region, it was rich of the fresh water and fertile soil. Children, you know that this region, there is something different there from that of other Indus sites. That means the other Indus cities and Dholavira, little bit differences are there. The rest of things are same only. That's why we are looking only what the differences. Okay, what is the first difference you know? The Harappan city, most of the Harappan cities were divided into two parts. One is called the citadel and next one is called the lower town. Citadel means a place with a raised platform, and lower town means the buildings and everything constructed on the ground level. But in the Dholavira, here is the city divided into three parts, like a citadel, middle town and lower town. The middle town is coming there. Okay, in the middle town, the citadel region, you can start from first. Citadel region, there the rulers lived, plus granaries, or either worshipping places, etc., located in the citadel region. The rich people, they lived in the middle town region, and the common people, they lived in the lower town. Another feature is that this city, like all other Indus cities, it also surrounded with a massive wall. But here they used stone for constructing their wall. Other cities, Harappan city or Mohenjo-daro, they used the baked brick for constructing their walls. But here they used, where in Dholavira, they used stone. So their surrounding wall made of stone. Also these walls, here and there, many gates or gateways were also there. So the stone wall and the gateways, that is another feature of this civilization. Again, there was a large open area. There was a large open area in the settlement. Where that large open area? It was in between the citadel and middle town. The archaeologists, they said like that, may the religious ceremonies or public ceremonies conducted in this open area. Then another finding from this region, that is the big letters of the Harappan script. From other sites, from Harappa or Mohenjo-daro, etc., they excavated in the small script, but in the script of the Dholavira, they are large scripts, large letters. And these letters were carved out of the white stone. In Mohenjo-daro or Harappa, they used the soft stone. But here is the white stone they used for making their seals and carving their writings there. These are some of the specialities of the Dholavira culture. The next site, that is called Lothal. You know Lothal is a city located beside a tributary of Sabarmati. Sabarmati river is very famous, and it is located on the bank of one of the tributary of the Sabarmati. It is in Gujarat. It is very close to Gulf of Kambaj. Okay, then it was situated near area where raw materials were available, especially the precious and semi-precious stones. Mainly semi-precious stones were most commonly available raw material there. So this city may be one of the industrial city during that period. Why? Because many of the remains we excavated from that region. So many objects they made out of stone, shell and metal. They used stone, shell or metal for making their various articles. And the excavators excavated, or the archaeologists excavated a large building from there. The large building, they told, maybe a workshop, a big workshop. The workshop they made is the beads. The workshop of the beads. They told this is because the pieces of stone, half-made beads, tools for bead making, and finished beads, like many objects they excavated from that region. That's why, from that building, that's why they concluded like that large building may be a big workshop. Also, there was a porch, remains of a porch. They excavated, and it proved that from there the foreign trade also conducted. Children, the next point we want to see, that is seal making and sealing. What is called seal and seal making? We already discussed in our previous classes. So here, for what purpose they used that seal? The seal may be used to stamp bag or packets containing goods that were sent from one place to another. So they made various goods or various articles in all over the Indus sites, and they transported that thing from one city to another city, or from their culture to another culture there. So while they packing their things, they stamped or they sealed that bag using their seals. How they sealed their, after the bag was sealed, closed or tied, a layer of wet clay applied on the knot of that bag or the package, and the seal was pressed on it. So that they apply, first they tie the bag or the package and where the knot is there they applied the wet clay, and over the wet clay they pressed the seal. And that activity that is called sealing. If the product reached in the destination without happening any damage to that seal, means the product is very safe, bag is very safe. So they used the seal and they made the seal. Children, I hope you understood all the points what we discussed today. We discussed today with the two Indus sites from our neighboring state, Gujarat, and what is the seal and seal making. We will meet again in our next video. Thank you.